local truck. It was donated. It was used on a farm in Shawnee, and the family donated it to us. And the Shawnee Parks and Recreation completely restored it. It's a 1929 Ford. It's called an AA, which makes it like a 1 ton in today's, you know, maybe 1.5 ton truck. It's a 4-speed. It's got a granny gear. Got the great big old heavy iron tires or wheels, and it is just a sweetheart. It would have been in the neighborhood of brand new, about $600 to $700 is kind of what we're guesstimating at, and then plus whatever the bed would have cost.
Okay.
So they would use that to go out into the garden and load up the produce, bring it in here, and then they would determine whether they're going to take it to the market and sell it, or keep it and can it, or keep it and use it.